everyone! I cook a lot of dishes with lemongrass in it. So I decided to grow my own lemongrass at the back in my backyard. That being said, I'm going to show you guys how to grow your own lemongrass.
You don't want to miss the funny scenes at the end of this video. What I'm going to show you today is how to grow your own lemongrass. Here are the things that you will need. Make sure your materials are prepped and ready to go. Wash the lemongrass thoroughly. Remove 2 of the outer layer leaves to expose the bottom stem. Rinse it good from top to bottom. Cut the lemongrass to your desired length. Ensure that the bottom part of the stem is clean and the ridges are exposed. Put the lemongrass in a clean container and fill it up with drinking water. Store it in an open area in your kitchen at room temperature. Take a look of the progress, you guys! Change the water every 3 or 5 days within the 15-day period or until it is ready to be transplanted. When the roots become soft and furry, the lemongrass is ready to be planted. I suggest planting your lemongrass in a pot if you live in a cold area so you can temporarily move it into a shed for it to survive during winter.
Today I'm going to show you how to grow your own lemongrass. So this is the lemongrass that I soaked for about 15 days. It is now ready to be planted. As you can see, look at the roots. Oh, over here. Oh, she's here again. Look at her. Yeah. Oh. She wants love. And look, there's actually a baby in here now. Growing. I'm gonna show you guys just quick. See the little thing? It starts to grow. Isn't that great? Look at her. Yeah. Look at her. I am actually giving this to a friend of mine, so she can plant it in her backyard. Here it is, ready to be planted. Yay! Okay, I'll give you food or I'll play with you.